losa la test le ta jambling ki kg losa ma ni ma de ba chang no test le ta an cha lam to no ne la news. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we wish you all very happy new year and all the best wishes for coming 2020.
So where are you going now?
So today is a New Year Eve. So we are going to New Year Eve party today. This is the booking which we have done it.
Okay.
It's Orium Brew Works, which is near to our house, just 5 minutes from our house. So we booked it there. So we booked they are couples couple. We are going first time to this party, so we want to see and experience how the party is. It's almost like 8 o'clock. It starts from 8. So we are going to start now. We both are dressed up. We are got ready.
Show me your dress.
Anyway, please. Done, and wish you all very happy new year, and we all rock 2020. Someone other known to cook a tradition and when you dress up for the new year party. Oh, Shapuro.
It's the end of 2019, so we're just kicking out the 2019 and we're going to work on 2020. I hope all the success comes in 2020 and then just get away all these old things and whatever's happening, you know, if it doesn't happen, just figure out from 2019. Yup.
Tani thadi chesai ani ta party la due ani pay la je yong man de pene video ge party hall de pene de decoration ches man ta tre ni on de la je yong chamlo. See you there. Bye bye.